What's going on, y'all? So right now I am outside of A1 Pod. They are an e-commerce store turned e-commerce warehouse. They actually do a lot of print on demand stuff, coffee mugs, t-shirts, anything you can really think of that you can print, they do it. And they actually are dope because they had a problem and they found a solution. You know, they were tired of relying on other people printing their actual merchandise, so they decided, yo, let's do our own. So they actually opened up this shop, and I'm gonna take you in here and show you around. Really dope concept, and it's really motivating to see, you know, other people owning e-commerce stores doing this stuff. They also sold one of their e-com stores for over $800,000. So these guys are bosses. I'm gonna take y'all in here. I'm with the homie Chris Reeve here. He's crushed e-com for years, made a lot of money, and now we're sitting here in his new warehouse called A1 Pod. Y'all definitely need to check that out because they have a lot of really dope print on demand stuff. I'm gonna just show y'all around real quick so you see all the machines, everything they have going on. All of that. It's a process. It's really a process. It's really a production, y'all. So what I want to do, I got Chris here, so I just wanted to ask him a couple questions to kind of motivate y'all and show y'all that really anything is possible, all right? So Chris, how long have you been involved in the e-commerce space?
So I started out in 2015, about October, right before, you know, the Christmas rush. Didn't start out so great, probably like a lot of you guys out there. I only made $8,800 the first month, and I really didn't make any money.
Right.
Yeah, I brought in $8,800.
I know how that goes. I know how that goes.
Yeah. Then November, and this is all with t-shirts, November did about 79,000. Then December broke 270, and then everybody says, oh, after the holidays you can't sell, you know, everything was down. That's not true. In January and February we had bigger months than December, which was like 390,000. So we hit $1 million, I think in like 6 or 7 months.
You heard that, $1 million in 7 months, y'all.
Yeah. And then we went on to do 2.4 million in that store before we sold it, and we sold it I think around the 11 or 12 month mark.
Nice.
Had a couple other stores, but overall $10 million in print on demand before we decided to start our own.
And how much did y'all actually sell your store for? Because one thing that I tell our students is that you can build up a store and sell it. We actually just sold our store 3 or 4 months ago. We sold our store. So how much did you actually sell your store for?
So our first store sold for $800,000.
Woo!
Yep.
800K.
Something for you guys to know though, and I wish we knew at the beginning, was you need to have processes in place, people in place, so that you could take that and hand it over. Those people are buying a business. They don't want to buy like something they have to work on themselves. They're hiring someone. So keep that in mind.
Dope. Cool. So that brought you to this point now, where you're at now. What made you decide to actually start this print on demand warehouse y'all got right now?
Well, man, I went through all the problems you guys probably see if you're selling t-shirts with other companies, which is like, sometimes they don't really care about the quality. It goes, flies out the door, 2 different blacks are going to the same house and the shirt's not the same color. It might have holes under the armpit or on the collar, and as a normal person, if you go to quality control like we do here, you'd be like, wait, that can't go out.
Right.
Those things just go out. We've had a company lose over 10,000 orders. You know, they would just sit there in the queue. We try to chase down, see what's going on with this one, or just so many problems that we wanted to fix ourselves and control. We also had our money locked up. We had 180,000 last year get locked up by merchants that pretty much crippled us. Like, it put you out of business type thing. So we brought it to the US and be able to handle everything. Like, we touched it physically and we're like, yeah, you need a tracking number? Boom, we send the tracking number. And the bank can see now, they're like, well, give us pictures of your inventory. Boom, we take pictures of the machines.
That's perfect.
And that way they can't hold our money.
Perfect. So here we are in the A1 Pod warehouse. So I'm gonna have Chris just show y'all around and show y'all the process of how actually everything gets done here. It's more than you think. All right?
Oh, definitely.
So yeah, just show them around.
So pretty much the first part is, you know, if you guys sold the shirt on the app, we'd have to order inventory. Inventory comes in, they fold it real quick, and it goes onto those shelves over there. Want to show the shelves? So the shelves over here have all the colors, the shirt styles, V-necks, regular, hoodies, whatever it is. From here, at the beginning of the day, we usually print all the purchase orders and then we sort them out. Colors, what's easier, what, this, that. That way we can make the production faster. When we do that, this is going to get pulled. We go over there, we pull the shirt, it goes like kind of on a cart like this. Most people probably don't know that a colored shirt can't have ink printed on it without a pre-treatment. So it comes to the pre-treatment machine. Put the shirt in here, slide it in, hit that green button, boom. It'll pass and puts like a little film on it that we gotta press. If it's little ones like onesies, toddler shirts, we sell a lot of those. We spray with these little guns. We bring it over here, we drop it onto a press. Boom, we press it, 20, 30 seconds. That makes it nice and flat so that you can actually print on it. We'll bring it over to here to the machine. Right now they're going through some maintenance, but we'll look up your order, we'll get the design, we'll move the design to the software. We're gonna move it, center it, make sure it's right, look at it, make sure that maybe a white design's not going on a white shirt, you know, quality control type stuff. If it's ready, we hit print. Comes down here, boom, we'll hit the button, it goes in. It could take 20 seconds, it could take 2 minutes depending on the design. It's gonna make 2 passes, come out. We're gonna take it, bring it over here and press again, boom. That's gonna make the ink dry. When it comes off this, we'll probably put it on the table somewhere around here or where those papers are. And someone will have to quality control check it. Is it the right design? Is it the right size? Where's it going? Is it 2 pieces? Is it 5 pieces? Is it 1? After that, it's gonna go into this bag. You know, the customer will get this cool little bag they don't usually see. We get a lot of comments from this little peacock thing. It'll come over into a bucket in the morning. It'll come over to the shipping station. The shipping station, someone will look it up, look up the order number, print it, make sure that it's going to the right place. Drops it to this bucket, goes to DHL. DHL comes every day. We'll send it out to the office, pick it up. It goes to USPS or DHL, and it's off to your customer's house.
Off to go. So, as you can see, let me move my hand here. As you can see, it is a process. I got nothing but respect for this man for how he did it, and this just goes to show you that you can do the same thing. If you want to get into the print-on-demand space, now's the perfect time. It's the 4th quarter. This is when stuff goes crazy, you know. So holler at me, and I'll get you set up with Chris here, and we'll get it rocking. All right. So peace and love. This is Rich from Anywhere, A1 Pod, and we out.